You might have heard of pumpkin spice latte offered by Starbucks. Today, we are going to make pumpkin milk tea. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a ready-made powder mix. This is a 100% pure pumpkin, so is no creamer there and no sugar. We are going to use a 22-ounce cup for this purpose. So let's get our ingredients ready. Put 5 ounces of brewed black tea, and then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of non-dairy creamer, and then we give it a bit of a stir. 1 ounce of condensed milk. Let's put 1 ounce of condensed milk. And 1 ounce of fresh milk or evaporated milk. There you go. We have 3 different types of milk in this milk tea. Okay, so I'll put this here. Give it a good stir. We need 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin powder. So let's do that. 1, 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin powder. Put it aside for now. And then because this is powder, I need to dissolve it with about 1 ounce of hot water. You cannot smell it, but I can. It smells of real pumpkin. So we now have our pumpkin mix and we have our milk tea. Let's assemble our drink. Now because this is pumpkin, I'm going to use a special golden pearls. Freshly cooked, as you can see, it's still smoking hot. There, and then we'll pour our milk tea in the cup. And then we'll finish it off with our pumpkin mix. Put the lid on. And then put our straw. This is our pumpkin milk tea. Something new, something different. Moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Delicious. It's like having pumpkin soup with tea. If you want to give it a try, come and visit us. In the meantime, thank you for watching and salamat po. Ciao for now.